Okay, we have a problem after prime factorization. It looks like this. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to pull out anything we can do a fourth root of and get an integer power. Okay? That means we got to pull out something that has a power that's a multiple of 4, because we're going to be taking its 1/4 power. Okay, well, 4 only goes to the third power. We can't do 4 to the third to the 1/4. We could do it, but it's not going to be an integer power. So we're going to leave it under the square root. We're going to have 2 square roots. And of course, we see we're going to pull out a c to the 4th here, right? So we're going to pull out a c to the 4th over here, leaving us a c. We're going to pull out this d to the 4th here, leaving us nothing in the denominator, right? But we're not going to pull out any 4s because we've only got a third power here. So what we're going to end up with is we're going to end up with 4 cubed times c over here. And I do have those powers right, don't I? So that's a fourth root. So what we have then is c to the 4th over d to the 4th to the 1/4 times the square root of 4 cubed times c. Well, that then is c to the 4 to the 1/4 over d to the 4th to the 1/4 times the square root of 4 cubed times c, which equals c to the 4 times 1/4 over d to the 4 times 1/4 times the square root, and it's not the square root, it's a fourth root in every case, isn't it? Told you I tend to forget that, right? And that's times the fourth root of 4 cubed times c. And that then is equal to just c over d, because 4 times 1/4 in both cases is 1, times the cube root of 4 cubed times c. Well, we've done everything we can with the exponents, so now we're going to cube 4 again. We're going to get c over d times the square root of 64c. Which makes you maybe wonder why you ever did the prime factorization, but you always do the prime factorization. If nothing can be pulled into the other radical here, then so be it. You just carry it along and then multiply it back at the end.